suppose you want to generate barcodes for these IDs. This is how you go about it. Transfer the IDs by copy pasting. Highlight the IDs that you want to generate barcodes for. Then go to fonts, look for this font, then hit on enter, and you'll have your barcodes. If you don't have that font, you can find it here, this website. I'll put the link in the description box. So what you need to do is you just click on download. Depending on what you usually use to download, it will pop up. Mine, I usually used the Internet Download Manager, so I already downloaded mine, so I'll just go directly to the folder. After the download is complete, you'll find this zipped folder, so you right click on it, then extract everything. Now I have a WinRAR, so I'll just extract to that. Then you go to the folder, and you have a manual here on how you can do that. You can go through it if you want to, but for me, I just need to install the font, so double click on it, yes, allow, and then you install like any other application. After you are done with the installation, let's go and check our Excel whether we have that font. Let's highlight one cell, then go to font, ID, automation, and it's there. So when I click it, a barcode will appear. So you can drag that down. So that's how you get and install the font. If you find value in the videos that you are making, kindly subscribe if you have not, like the video, share, and also let's continue the conversation down in the comment region. And as usual, let's meet in the next video.